ahead and show how our Amazon Manager.js functionality works. To get started, I'm going to start our app saying node Amazon Manager.js. Great. From there, we are prompted with 4 different options: view products for sale, view a low inventory, add to inventory, and add new product. I'll go ahead and get started from the top, and this should display pretty similarly the way our last video did with all of our items currently in our table products. So if I click here, as you can see, the same video games, groceries, some graphic tees, all the really fun stuff still are in our inventory. From here, we are once again prompted to see what else is going on in our table. Specifically, I'm going to click now on View Low Inventory, and this should show us everything that is under 5 right now in our database. So if I press Return, the only thing that shows up is a copy of Super Smash Bros. Melee, and as we expected, it has a stock quantity of 3, so that's why it's displaying. Okay, our next component is Add to Inventory. So if I click here, we are prompted with what item ID would you like to add to? Well, we know that Super Smash Bros. Melee is low, so why don't we go ahead and hike that up a little bit. So I'm going to get that add of the danger zone and click 3. Or I guess I added to the item ID I'd like. How many would I like to add? Let's go ahead and add 15. Great. So quantity has been updated. It's good news. Let's see, make sure that actually worked. So item ID 3 was P90X. Currently 13, so when I refresh, it should be 26. 28 rather. Great. And then the last thing we're going to do is add new product. Any product you'd like to add to the inventory. Let's add whey protein. Let's add that to grocery. Price of item 25. Quantity item, let's add 17. Alright, let's see. We returned our object, but let's see what it looks like in our actual table. So I'm going to press refresh. Whey protein, grocery, $20, and the stock quantity of 17. And that is our manager functionality.